Want to capture that timeless, nostalgic look, but feel completely overwhelmed by all the technical jargon? Today, I'm breaking down the best beginner-friendly cameras that will get you shooting beautiful physical photos immediately. In this video, I'm counting down the top 7 cameras for beginners, ranking them from least to most recommended based on my own extensive hands-on testing. Whether you are looking for authentic 35mm film, the instant gratification of a Polaroid-style print, or even a digital bridge to that vintage aesthetic, there is a perfect starting point for you on this list. 7. KODAK EKTAR H35. This is a camera that has gained a massive amount of traction on social media recently for its charming retro aesthetic. This is a reusable 35mm half-frame camera, which essentially means it acts like a step up from a traditional disposable camera, but allows you to load your own rolls of film. When I first unboxed the H35, I was immediately struck by how incredibly lightweight it is. The body is constructed entirely of plastic, which makes it very easy to slip into a pocket or a small bag for a day out. It comes in a variety of vintage-inspired colors with a faux leather wrap that certainly looks the part when you are carrying it around on the street. The main selling point of this camera is its half-frame format. This means that instead of shooting a standard full-frame 35mm image, it splits the frame down the middle, giving you 2 vertical shots in the space of one. Economically, this is fantastic for beginners because a standard roll of 36 exposures will actually yield 72 photographs, allowing you to shoot twice as much without worrying about the rising cost of film. However, during my field testing, the novelty of the H35 wore off rather quickly due to some severe limitations. The lens is entirely focus-free and made of a single-element optical-grade acrylic, which translates to images that are often frustratingly soft and lack any real definition or sharpness. Furthermore, it operates on a single fixed shutter speed and a fixed aperture, meaning if you aren't shooting outdoors in bright, direct sunlight, your photos will likely be heavily underexposed, unless you remember to manually engage the built-in flash every single time. 6. LETSHAHA H3. This is technically an instant camera, but it approaches the concept in a completely different way than you might expect. Instead of using traditional chemical film packs, this device uses zero-ink thermal printing technology, essentially working like a receipt printer to instantly generate your photos on a roll of inexpensive paper. Right out of the box, the LETSHAHA H3 feels quite playful and is clearly marketed with a younger demographic in mind. The body is chunky, durable, and very easy to grip, featuring a large screen on the back for framing your shots. The interface is remarkably simple, allowing you to point, shoot, and watch a black and white print spool out of the front of the camera in a matter of seconds. The greatest advantage of this camera is undoubtedly the cost of operation. Because it uses standard thermal paper rolls rather than specialized instant film, you can take and print hundreds of photos for just a few dollars. It also includes some surprising digital features, allowing you to record 1080p video directly to an SD card, which makes it a strange but versatile little hybrid device. Despite the fun factor, my testing revealed some glaring drawbacks that make it hard to recommend for a serious beginner wanting to learn photography. The print quality is incredibly low resolution, resulting in images that are highly pixelated, heavily contrasted, and devoid of any subtle midtones. Furthermore, because these are thermal prints, they are highly susceptible to heat and light, meaning your cherished memories will likely fade away into blank pieces of paper within a year or two. The LETSHAHA H3 is a fun novelty gadget for parties or a great gift for a child, but it entirely misses the mark if you're trying to capture lasting, high-quality physical memories. 5. Pentax K1000. Unlike the previous 2 cameras, this is a vintage, fully manual 35mm single-lens reflex camera. If you have ever taken a high school or college black and white photography class in the last 40 years, there is a very high probability that this is the exact camera you were handed. The build quality of the K1000 is nothing short of exceptional. It is a heavy, robust block of metal and glass that feels incredibly substantial in your hands. Taking it out to shoot feels like a tactile, mechanical experience. The satisfying clunk of the shutter and the smooth action of the film advance lever are a joy to operate and connect you to the process in a way that modern cameras simply cannot match. What makes this camera so highly recommended for beginners is its sheer simplicity. It is a fully mechanical camera, meaning it does not require a battery to operate the shutter or advance the film. It strips away all automatic modes, autofocus, and digital menus, leaving you with only the three fundamental pillars of photography to control: aperture, shutter speed, and focus. The only electronic component in the K1000 is a straightforward match needle light meter visible through the viewfinder. During my time shooting with it, I found this meter to be incredibly intuitive. You simply adjust your shutter dial or lens aperture ring until the needle rests perfectly in the center, and you are guaranteed a properly exposed photograph. It forces you to slow down, think about your lighting conditions, and truly understand how an image is made. While you do have to buy these used on the secondhand market, a well-maintained Pentax K1000 will easily outlast most modern electronics. It is the ultimate teaching tool. Four, Fujifilm Instax Mini 99. While standard instant cameras are often seen as simple point-and-shoots, the Mini 99 introduces a level of creative control and artistic expression that completely elevates the instant film experience. The design of the Mini 99 is sleek, matte black, and feels incredibly premium to the touch. It features dual shutter buttons for easy shooting in both portrait and landscape orientations, and it includes a precision-milled tripod mount. When I took this camera out, I immediately noticed how it demands to be taken more seriously than the colorful, toy-like designs of its entry-level siblings. The standout feature of this camera, and what made testing it so incredibly fun, are the analog color effect dials. Fujifilm has built internal LED lights into the camera body that expose the film with different color casts as you shoot. You can dial in effects like warm tone, faded green, or light leak, allowing you to instantly apply gorgeous atmospheric filters to your physical prints without relying on any digital manipulation. In addition to the color effects, the Mini 99 offers true zone focusing and a manual vignette switch. The lens ring allows you to physically select your focus distance from macro to standard to landscape, ensuring your subject is tack sharp. Engaging the physical vignette switch creates a beautiful dark border around the edges of your frame, drawing the viewer's eye dead center into your subject. This camera is an absolute powerhouse for a beginner who wants the immediate gratification of instant film, but craves the creative flexibility usually reserved for advanced systems. It allows you to experiment with light, color, and focus in real time, delivering stunning, unique, and highly artistic physical prints straight out of the camera body. 3. Sony ZV-1F. Now you might be wondering why a digital point-and-shoot is on a list dedicated to beginner film cameras. The reality is that the rising cost of film and development can be a massive barrier to entry for many beginners, and the ZV-1F offers an incredible digital alternative to achieve that highly sought-after vintage look. This camera features a massive 1-inch sensor and a fixed 20mm ultra-wide prime lens. The build is modern and compact, featuring a fully articulating touchscreen that makes framing shots from difficult angles a breeze. In my testing, I found the ergonomics to be superb, easily fitting into a jacket pocket while delivering image quality that absolutely destroys any modern smartphone. The reason this camera earns a spot here is Sony's inclusion of built-in creative looks. These are essentially highly advanced in-camera color profiles that mimic the aesthetic of classic film stocks. You can shoot stunning JPEGs that possess the muted tones, rich contrasts, and moody atmospheres of analog photography, completely bypassing the need for a computer or complex editing software. Furthermore, because it is a modern digital camera, it is incredibly forgiving for a beginner. The autofocus is lightning fast and sticks to your subject's eyes flawlessly. You can shoot hundreds of photos, experiment with different exposures, and instantly see your results without the anxiety of wasting a $2 frame of film every time you press the shutter. The Sony ZV-1F is the perfect bridge for the modern beginner. It provides the gorgeous, stylized aesthetic of film photography with all the convenience, speed, and cost-effectiveness of digital technology. It allows you to learn framing and lighting risk-free, while also giving you incredible 4K video capabilities, making it a spectacular all-in-one tool. 2. Pentax 17. This is not a vintage camera. This is a brand new, highly engineered 35mm half-frame film camera released by Pentax, designed specifically for a modern generation of photographers. The Pentax 17 feels incredibly special the moment you pick it up. It features top and bottom plates made of solid magnesium alloy, giving it a premium, durable weight that commands respect. It beautifully marries the tactile mechanical feel of a vintage film advance lever with modern electronics and a highly accurate internal light meter. Like the KODAK earlier on our list, this is a half-frame camera, meaning you get 72 shots per roll. However, because the viewfinder is naturally oriented in a vertical portrait format, it perfectly mimics the way we consume media on our phones today. During my testing, I loved how intuitive it felt to compose shots for social media natively without having to awkwardly turn the camera sideways. Unlike the cheap acrylic lenses found on budget half-frames, the Pentax 17 boasts an incredibly sharp, multi-coated glass lens. It utilizes a zone focusing system where you simply turn the lens dial to match a clearly illustrated icon, like a single person, two people, or a mountain, to set your distance. It is incredibly fast, intuitive, and ensures that your shots are beautifully sharp every single time. The Pentax 17 is nothing short of a masterpiece for a beginner looking to get into traditional 35mm film. It completely removes the stress of manual exposure while delivering stunning optical quality and the economic benefit of the half-frame format. It provides an authentic, high-quality analog experience with the peace of mind of a modern factory warranty, making it a near-perfect camera. 1. FUJIFILM Instax Mini 12. And finally, taking the #1 spot as the absolute best camera for beginners is the FUJIFILM Instax Mini 12. Sometimes the best way to learn photography is simply to start taking photos without any friction, and the Mini 12 removes every possible barrier between you and a beautifully captured physical memory. The design of the Mini 12 is iconic, featuring a bubbly, pastel-colored body that is impossible not to smile at. The ergonomics are fantastic, sitting comfortably in the hand, and the operation has been streamlined to absolute perfection. To turn the camera on, you simply twist the lens barrel and you are immediately ready to start shooting. The most significant upgrade in the Mini 12, and the reason it performs so flawlessly in my testing, is the inclusion of parallax correction in the viewfinder. In older models, what you saw through the viewfinder didn't perfectly match what the lens captured, often resulting in slightly off-center subjects. The Mini 12 fixes this completely. What you see through the glass is exactly what prints out on the film, making framing completely foolproof. Additionally, the automatic exposure system is remarkably sophisticated for such an affordable camera. It perfectly calculates the ambient light in your environment and adjusts the shutter speed and flash output accordingly. Whether you are shooting outdoors in the sun or inside a dimly lit restaurant, the camera consistently produces perfectly exposed, vibrant, and flattering prints without you ever having to touch a setting. The FUJIFILM Instax Mini 12 earns the top spot because it delivers pure, unadulterated photographic joy. It is affordable, reliable, and incredibly easy to use. It allows absolute beginners to experience the magic of physical photography immediately, making it the perfect starting point for anyone looking to capture their world on film.